We would like to give you now a reading of the energy as we perceive it. Understand, this is not prophecy. It is not fate. It is a sensing of momentum. When we observe your collective field, we perceive probabilities, pathways that are gaining strength. The unification of your planet does not happen in one dramatic event. It unfolds in stages, not necessarily in strict order, for timelines are fluid, but there are likelihoods. One strong probability is the formation of what may be called a North American alliance. What you know as the United States of America and Canada may move toward a deeper political and structural integration. This is not about erasing identity. It is about increasing cooperation. From there, momentum builds. The Central American region follows, though more gradually, as certain internal conditions must stabilize first. You have already seen precursors of this pattern in the formation of the United States of America and more recently in your history with the creation of the European Union. These are templates, experiments in collective governance. The trend continues, a confederation of South American states, expanded cooperation among African nations, perhaps 70 to 80% in unified frameworks. Asiatic bonding, though slower, finding eventual coherence. South Asian alignment, and Middle Eastern collaboration, which in your terminology may involve turbulence before stability. Yet the trajectory moves in one direction, integration. By your mid-2030s, perhaps between 2035 and 2039, these unions begin to find their footing. Not perfection, but functionality. Cohesive enough to act as planetary representatives. And when a world can represent itself as a unified body, even at an entry level, it becomes eligible for participation in a broader interstellar association. Membership is not granted, it is reflected. You qualify by demonstrating cooperation, self-responsibility, and planetary maturity. We do not seek to absorb you. We seek resonance. You are not being invited to join something foreign. You are remembering that you are part of a greater family. The state of the future union is not imposed from the stars. It is built through your willingness to see yourselves as one world. The momentum exists. The choice remains yours.